Hello students, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. This is your English period and please open your English book. Today we are going to learn about Robin and that is on page number E18. Before that, I will give little introduction about Robin. That it is small brown European bird where it is found in Europe and it is having brown back and red front. Can you see in the picture? Right. This is a little introduction about Robin. Dear students, the poem is about a beautiful red robin that sings sweetly through all the seasons of the year. The poem also teaches us to be patient, for winter always goes away and spring comes back. Right, children? Children, please read poem aloud. And please keep your pencil in your hand to underline the new words. Dear students, the poet is anonymous. Here can you see the word anonymous. Do you know what is mean? It means the writer of this poem is unknown. Anonymous mean with no name. Anonymous having no names. The name is missing. Anonymous not identified by name of or unknown name. Now children, we are going to read the poem, but before that we will do warm up activity. So look at on page number E18. Warm up activity. On your way back from school, you find a little bird laying injured. What will you do? Tell the class. Dear students, what will you do? If you saw that little bird which was injured, you want to help him, right children? You took that bird with you at your school or home. And until that bird gets well, will you take care of it? Right now children? Reading first stanza. Robin sung sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks for summer. He sung with all his might. Next stanza. Robin sung sweetly. In the autumn days, there are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. Third stanza. In the cold and wintry weather, still we hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. Fourth stanza. When the spring come back again, he sung, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. So, we are done with the reading. Students, do you know who is Robin? Is this some boy or girl? Boy or girl name? No, it is a bird. Robin is a bird. And the bird is going to sing a song throughout the 4 seasons. Now here comes 4 seasons. Do you know what are the 4 seasons? The 4 seasons are the summer, autumn, winter and spring. So we have 4 seasons in a year. And summer season like they tell us in the first stanza. In the first stanza about the summer season. In summer season, the sun shines brightly. So, in the first stanza, the poet says that the bird sings very sweetly. He says that Robin is singing a song very sweetly, especially when the days are very bright. When the days are very bright, it means the sun shines very brightly in the sky. He is in this line, thanks. Thanks for summer. He is thanking the summer season. He is showing his gratitude for summer because he loves the summer. He loves the summer season. So, he is singing the most beautiful song in the summer season. Dear students, might means strength. Here in this stanza, they are telling that Robin sung sweetly when the days were bright. As we know that Robin is a song, but so he sung during summer days because in summer the days are bright and he sung with all his might, with all his pleasure, with all his strength. He sung during those days. Here in first stanza, they told us about summer. The weather was summer. Next stanza, Robin sung sweetly. In the autumn days, there are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. In the second stanza, praise. Praise means appreciate or thanksgiving. So in this stanza, they are telling about autumn season. It was autumn season and they are telling us that even then it was autumn and leaves were falling from the trees. Even then he was singing sweetly and he was saying, let all give praise to God. Second stanza, it's about the autumn season. That how robins sing in the autumn season, in the fall season. Autumn is actually between the summer and winter. In autumn, the bird says even if the season has changed, it is autumn. Now the leaves are falling from the trees. We have many fruits on the trees, but still I'll continue to sing a song. And because we have different fruits, let's appreciate. He is saying, let's appreciate the autumn season. Even if the leaves are falling, there are fruits so that the little birds and the animals eat those fruits. So he is appreciating, he is praising the autumn season. The fall season, now we are done with a second stanza. Students, let's go to the next stanza. The third stanza. In the cold and wintry weather, still we hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. Dear students, third stanza. Which is the third weather they have mentioned here? Winter. In first stanza, they mentioned summer weather. In the second stanza, it was autumn, and here it is winter. They are telling in the cold and winter weather, still hear his song. So nobody must sing, said Robin, or winter will sing long here. Robin is saying, even then, if it's winter and it is cold and it is difficult to sing, he said that even then I will be keep on singing. Why? Because if I will not show my strength or my courage, the winter will seem long. That bad winter will stay more long. In the third one stanza, they are telling us about the winter season, that how Robin sings in the winter season. So, in the first line, what does wintry mean? Wintry means cold. Basically, the wintry and cold are the similar word. They have the same meaning. Look at students. He did not stop singing even if the season is changed, even if it is winter. Robin didn't think that we with changing the season will stop singing. No, he still continued his song in his very sweet little words. He is trying to explain that if I stop singing, the winter season is going to look so long. Like here in this line, or winter will see in long. So he is telling that if we stop singing in the winter season, it will look very long. So we must continue singing during the winter. So here he is giving us a very beautiful message. What is this message, students? The message is that even if we we have some difficult time in our life, we should keep smiling. We should keep continue our hard work, because all days are not going to be the same. Like the season changes from summer to autumn, from autumn to winter, our bad days will surely change. Fourth stanza. When the spring come back again, he sung, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. Last stanza. In the last stanza, what is the message the Robin want to say? You know, there are so many messages. For example, Robin is teaching us that we can make changes in our life with joy, with joy, with laughter, with smile, and with a song in our life. Understood, students? The energy of this bird will teach you how to move forward with grace and with passion. You see, that does not mind that either it is summer or it is winter or it is autumn, but he is keep on singing. He is keep showing his courage. He is keep on hard work. Dear students, the last one stanza it's about the springs. Spring is a season when flowers bloom. There is greenery everywhere. The environment is green and beautiful, and most of us love the spring season. When the spring come back again, he sing I told you so. So he is telling us that, see, didn't I tell you that season is going to be back. The days are going to be back, like there were bad days like in the winter. So he says that I told you that the bad days will definitely go. I will have the most beautiful days once again. So, with his beautiful message, with his meaningful message, we says that the bad days definitely go and the good days will come back again. We got a meaningful message, a beautiful message from this poem, and the message is that whatever happens, even if it is bad one day or the other day, we will see some good days of our life. So students, um, we finished our poem with a very beautiful message. Always remember that bad days will go and good day will come. And dear students, keep remember The poem is about a beautiful red robin that sings sweetly through all the season of the year. The poem also teaches us to be patient, for winter always goes away and spring come back. Right, children? In the next period, we will learn new words. Dear students, learn the poem. Goodbye. Thank you.